Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Shuanglian Pond in Yilan County's Yuanshan Township is home to a great number of Taiwan's aquatic plants. It is also the center of the area's Hakka culture. Yuanshan's delicious star fruit and bell fruit are famous across Taiwan. When visiting, check out Fushan Garden and try the famous fish ball rice noodles.
宜兰县员山乡的双连皮是台湾水生植物分布最多的湿地，也是该乡客家族群的集中地。员山乡盛产桶柑、杨桃、莲雾等农产品，近年积极发展观光休闲农业。到员山乡除了可以到福山植物园一游，还可尝尝有名的鱼丸米粉。
Hi, welcome everybody. It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
大家好, I'm Tim Berge. You know, Leo, I recently discovered that going to Yilan is so super quick now due to the addition of the 雪山隧道。
冇唔錯啊，行雪山隧道嗬，8點鐘就到宜蘭了。
So how do you say the 雪山 tunnel in Hakka?
雪山隧道。
雪山隧道。Okay, so now how do we say Yilan in Hakka?
宜蘭縣。
宜蘭縣。
見比較少嘅嗬，就係宜蘭縣嘅員山鄉、員山鄉。
員山鄉 Okay, so we're talking about the Yuanshan Township in Yilan County, 宜蘭縣的員山鄉，對不對？那我們到了這個地方有什麼特別呢？
宜蘭縣有出產當多嘅水果。
There's a lot of fruit to eat in Yilan. Okay, what kind of fruit is it? 有什麼樣的水果呢？
像係桶柑。
桶柑
就是橘子的一種。
橘子 Okay, so it's a type of orange and it's called 桶柑。Okay, any other types of fruit we can enjoy while we're in Yilan?
另外還有楊桃。
楊桃 Let me guess, I bet you that's 楊桃，對不對？
對，
就是 star fruit. Okay, anything else we can try while we're over in Yilan?
還有黃梨。
Okay, now you got me. 黃梨What's that?
那就是鳳梨。
鳳梨 pineapple. Okay, well, pineapple's a good choice. It's very good fruit. I like that. And so now we've had some fruit, which will start our day off to a good start. 那邊還有什麼地方我們可以去走一走看一看呢？
人家講到係水果咩？嗰種有少嘅植物，宜蘭當有名嘅就係福山植物園、福山植物園。
So we can go check out the Fushan Garden, which I hear that's up in the mountains. 那是在山裡面，是不是？
對，
所以要去之前，我們是不是要申請一個許可證還是什麼東西？
入山證。
Okay. So before we go to the Fushan Mountain, we first need to get a mountain pass. So make sure you do that first. A very wonderful place to visit when you go to Yilan next time. Well, that's it for today's Talk About Hakka on ICRT. I'm Tim Berge.
希望大家按自己張來了。
See you next time.
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.